Good morning, everyone. Weekend Prospector here. Finally got back out. Here with my buddy Matt. You guys know him as Oidium45 on YouTube. We came down to, we came down to the river. We're actually going to go ahead and just start walking the river and find us a good spot and set up camp. It's beautiful. The weather's nice. Sun's fixing to come out. Let's do this. Alright, well Matt's got his set up. Well, not complete. He's testing it right now. He's trying to see how he needs to level it. Probably already got gold. Alright, well, I got it set up. This is the second time. I had to move it around. I had it running a little too hot. Right now it might not be running hot enough. I just we'll see. I can adjust it a little bit. Well, you can see the hole. I moved quite a bit of material, and we really have nothing to show for it. So we're moving on to another spot. Yeah, barely anything. So I'm gonna have to reset back up. But there's Matt's setup. There's mine. I'm really sloppy with my tarp this time. I can fix it. But anyways, on the other side, I'll show you. We are on the inside. We are on the inside of a nice bend. And look at that nice deposit around here. The river goes up there. Here's the bend. And that's where we were. So I'm gonna go ahead and set up right over here somewhere, and let's get our dig on. Try it again. All right, well, Matt and I, we prioritized, obviously. There's our coffee, and we got us some European biscuit cookie, whatever, with chocolate on it, and works for me. Alright, well, this is that spot we're digging. The water's fluctuating, so I really can't tell if I'm getting anything. So I guess we're going to work it for a little while and do a cleanup and see if this area is worth continuing digging. If this area doesn't work out, then we're just going to have to abandon camp for a while and go do some sampling. Alright, well, I had to pull the sluice. Water level went up a little bit and started to move. I'm only seeing one piece, really. I mean, there's some black sands, but I don't know. Might have to move on. Get this cleaned up, find out. Well, this is all I got for that. Just a little bit more, but I don't think it was worth it. I'm not sure. I did move quite a bit over there. Yeah. We'll see. Alright, well, this is how much dirt I removed. Cut the edge of the bank down there. I guess it's worth cutting it back for a night run. That'll be fine. Time to eat dinner. Alright, we're set back up. Just gotta hang the lights. Put that rock on the sluice, make sure it stays down, but we're running much better, more even. Okay. As choppy as the water is, that's pretty good. So, let's get ready. Night run, night goal. Matt and I are digging together. We got a head start on the night run. It's getting dark. But we're gonna tear this edge back. Probably a couple feet. We're not gonna kill ourselves. Alright, we're fixing to do a clean out. We dug quite a bit. I'm not really seeing anything. I thought I seen a couple pieces show a little bit, but really, in the morning we got to move on to something else, definitely. Pack up quick, go downstream. Let's do a clean up. Well, I'm not seeing anything.
I don't see anything popping out. It's like, hey, look at me.
All we can do is just hope it's underneath some of those black sands. I do have enough of them.
No, find out.
Well, that's all we got. Not much at all. Yeah, I'm not going to get in another run. This area, we're calling it done. In the morning, we're moving on to a new spot. So, let's go get a second dinner. And here we are, starting the final day, Sunday morning. We're going to go ahead and do some sampling. We've had our coffee, we've ate breakfast. Yeah, a lot of digging here, little gold. Good fun though. But anyways, we're gonna go do some sampling. Let's do it. Well, we looked over this area. Somebody had a nice dig, so right there, I went ahead and moved some rocks, got me a nice sample. Nothing. So, I think we're going to be done sampling. We might go ahead and go check out Queenie Mine. Let's see. Alright, well, since we're done, I went ahead and got everything together. Let's see. Yeah, it's not clean, but that's it for everything. That'll work. Matt went ahead and super cleaned everything. Well, that's it. Till next time. Alright, this is goodbye. Goodbye to this area. Everything's cleaned up. And goodbye to that dig. Alright, starting out the second portion of my weekend. We're gonna go mine exploring. Anyway, somewhere up in there is the Heaton mine. Somewhere, I don't know. But we're going to the Queenie mine, which is over to the right in there somewhere in there. Anyways, let's do it. All right, we came a ways up the side of the mountain on actual parts of paved road. I've been coming here for years, and this is just a skip and a hop from the Heaton campsite. Neat. But up that way, I believe, is where the Queenie mine is. Alright, well, we are at the entrance of the Queenie mine, but we're not going to be able to go in far. So we are going to have to wait and come back with boots. Let's go a little bit further. Try not to get my feet wet. I don't know. That's it. Maybe we'll go check out the Heaton mine. Alright, we're right across from Heaton again. We got a trail that runs off to the right and one that runs off to the left there. We're gonna go see if we can find the Heaton mine. And I was told something about a Holly mine. Let's do it. It's slightly raining way up the side of the mountain. Heaton is way down there. But yeah, we're not finding a trail. It's gonna lead us to Heaton. We just keep going farther and farther up the mountain, and we have no real destination, I don't think, anymore. But it's nice to see running water up here. I wouldn't mind bringing a pan the next time, checking out some of the more obvious places, you know, like in front of that big stone down in there. It's a drop, you know, washout, little pocket, things like that. This is awesome. This whole area is awesome. I mean, a lot of plant life, vegetation. It's like a mini forest right here on the side of the mountain. You can tell this trail's been used a lot and very old. I mean, at every washout they had those metal retaining walls. So we're still yet to see what all the excitement was about, why they'd be up here. Just came up a little ways, what I just showed you, and look down in there. I know there's branches and debris, but it's like a pothole. What's that? Solid rock too, bedrock. Awesome. Slightly raining, but keep going. Alright, well, we're up high enough now where we've matched Shoemaker Canyon Road over on the other side of the mountains, or we're level with it. Either way, we're exploring. Alright, well, look what these vines are producing. Interesting. Never seen them before. We are getting closer to the top of the mountain range. We have reached the top of this little mountain range. We've got a choice. We can go right or trail goes to the left as well. That one we would just be popping right up over the top there. But check this out. It's like a, I don't even know. Is that a building? A wash? A complete, looks like a big worked area where I guess that's some remnants of some old mining stuff going on. But that's yeah, it's a couple mountain ranges over. I don't know. Let's figure out if we're going left or right. Alright, well, we went up the trail to the right, and it just dies out at the peak, like maybe a little camping area. And then we're not going to the left. We're going to start our journey down. I found this filled with water, so I cut the top. I'm taking the top with me, of course, it's because it's trash, but when we get down to that water that we seen earlier, I'm going to go ahead and get a sample and take it with me. Take it home, do a pan, just to see. Curiosity. Alright, we're on our way back down. I'm going to get one of these alien pods, and we're going to take it with us. Let's do it. Alright, y'all, I'm getting a sample. We are still pretty high up on the mountain, but I'm taking a sample. We'll call it a rainy day sample. I won't show you in this video the end results. This is rainy day. I'll be doing a lot of work. I don't know if I'll be able to get out in the next few weeks. Digging straight down. You see some exposed, I don't know if you want to call that bedrock, but see if I can hit it. Yep, I can hit the bottom. Nope. Oh yeah, I hit bottom. Get a little more off the bottom. One day, y'all get to see what happens. And we were getting close to the bottom, and I hit on some sage, so we're gonna grab us a piece of that too. Why not? We're close to heat now. You can see the main road, main trail. We're almost to the bottom of the mountain. Okay, I had to stop and get a little bit of sage. I'll give that to my daughter and the alien pod. Yeah, got nice wild sage growing right there. A little bit right there. It's everywhere when you go farther in. Once you get about 2 miles or so, it's everywhere. Okay, well, I figured I wouldn't keep you waiting. That is the dirt that I got from that seasonal creek or runoff, or I don't know what you want to call it, but it was higher up in the mountains. And we're going to go ahead and classify it down to 2 different settings. I got the 1/4 inch, and then this one, I don't even know. I guess we'll say a 1/16 of an inch. I don't know, but let's go ahead and we'll get them into a few different piles. Alright, now we got the garden hose out here as well. Sun's poking out while I'm getting rained on. But yeah, we got a few drops of dawn in there, so that'll assist us. I'm going to go ahead and set up the camera so we can do a little hyperlapse. I don't want to bore you to death. Okay, we've got it separated. That would not be nice to see something shiny in there, but we'll see. I'm gonna go ahead and have to do it in, I don't know, thirds, I guess. Break this up into 3 pieces. So let's get back to hyper. Well, it is raining too hard right now, but the first pan did not give me anything. So let's let the rain die down. Alright, it's still raining. It's light. We move fast, we can get another pan in. So it's hyper. Alright, well, we got the second pan done, and I'm not even seeing dust. Or maybe a little teeny micron piece, I'm not sure, but this is what we have left. The rain is way too hard. Yeah. Let's come back and try again. Alright, well, the rain is almost stopped. Sorry about the noise in the background, but I'm next to a airstrip where they do a lot of parachuting. So anyways, let's go ahead and get that final pan done and let's check it out. Well, I didn't see anything. I used the magnifying glass as well. There might be some very micron small gold there, but without a microscope to verify it, I'm not going to go through that extent. I'm not that interested. But anyways, we'll go ahead and do these two piles real fast and see what's up. Well, we did the next size up and I see nothing. All we got is the big stuff, and chances of a nugget, astronomical. And it's starting to rain real hard, so let's do this fast. Well, we didn't get anything, but it was definitely fun checking out. That would have been something else if I got a little bit of gold up there. That would have been like my own private little area stash, private claim. So we'll go ahead and get out of the rain. We'll clean up from that and show you the gold. Final show. Alright, well, here's everything. It was a wonderful weekend. I was so glad to get back out to the mountains. Me and my buddy Matt, you know him as Iridium45 on YouTube. And, well, Chad and Jordan, they couldn't make it. You know, restrictions and everything, and isolation with this coronavirus. But do check out Jordan's channel, Jordan Bulo. He does prospecting in the desert as well. He does metal detecting. He's been finding nice little chunks of gold here and there. You really should check out his channel. But next week or the week after, I will be checking out GPAA claims in my area, San Diego County. One of the claims is supposed to have running water, and even if I get a little bit of gold, well, that's nice. I'll just go ahead and start going there a few times here and there. It's a quick 1 hour ride from the house. So wish me luck on that. But everyone needs to get out in nature. Don't sit in the house during all this if you don't have to. But always, obey the rules. And well, till next time, heavy pans, my friends.